In terms of our operations in India, we have offices in Delhi, Mumbai and Hyderabad co-located within the British High Commission, wherein we work very closely with partners such as the Department for International Trade and the Science and Innovation Network. When you look at the sectoral opportunities, the key sectors that SDI addresses in India are firstly the life sciences sector. Within the life sciences sector, we see tremendous opportunities for medtech diagnostic and pharma services companies. Examples of Scottish companies trading in India would be Omega Diagnostics, who have set up their manufacturing hub in Pune. On the pharma services side of things, we have Cleantech International that are actually using their offices in Bangalore to again cater to the wider Asia-Pac market. Emerging opportunities are in the field of precision medicine. The University of Glasgow is home to the Stratified Medicine Scotland Innovation Centre, and there has been genuine appetite from Indian pharma looking to engage with SMSIC. The Indian government is investing $50 billion in the oil and gas industry. And where are the opportunities for the Scottish supply chain? That's in the sphere of training, in subsea and in deep water drilling. Scotland continues to punch above its weight in terms of its academic and its research and innovation. Most of the universities have a presence in India, be it a physical entity or collaborations with industry and academia. When people consider the barriers that they might encounter when they're looking to trade with India, I always attribute preparedness, which is key. And first things first, you have to sit down and analyze whether your product is fit for the market. You have to engage with SDI and with our partners to understand how best your product can be tailored for the Indian audience. You have to understand who is the competition. You have to understand your pricing model. You have to understand what are the regulatory compliances that you need to adhere to. I mentioned at the outset that SDI has offices in India, in Delhi, Mumbai and in Hyderabad. In addition to that, we have a large team here in Scotland. In the Highlands and Islands, we have the High Growth Market Unit, which is addressing opportunities in India. So consider these resources as part of your own company and sit down and engage with us to understand where the opportunities might lie for your company. And we can support with research into potential partners. We can help facilitate those introductions with potential partners. We can gain access to our networks. We can help you gain access to our networks. We can support business development visits to markets. We work very closely with our global Scots who are influential people in the industry. And it's all about connections at the end of the day. For a market the size of India, if you look at the population 1.3 billion, much as there is diversity, there is opportunity, but it's a large country. So what I would encourage you is to actually have a game plan in place. Whether you look at a regional strategy or a pan-India strategy, it's all about finding the right partner. It's all about doing your homework. It's about doing your due diligence. It's all about relationships. In today's day and age where many things can be done virtually, I always encourage companies to come out to market. Nothing beats sitting across the table and engaging with your potential partners and seeing how best you can work together. And at the end of the day, like I mentioned, SDI is here to support your trade aspiration.